Hello everybody, my name is Giver. In this video I will show a demonstration of the website for the final project for the CS50 class. So the name of the website is Peru Route, and the idea behind this website is to make places that touristic places that are not that popular be known to more people. So this is, for example, here I have 3 places that belong to Peru, and you can look at the places and not necessarily to have an account, but if you want to make a review, you will have to log in. So this is the main page, and here I can see the last post, and I have a search box to search by location, by date, by rating. For example, I put location and press L. I only have 2 posts with L. I will show me the post. For example, I want to click here in Lunawana, and this is the destination page. We have the date when it was published, the name, and a rating. We have a picture, kind of a slide. You can see 3 different pictures. Location details for the place, latitude, longitude, altitude, budget, and the department, the district. A summary about the place, where is it, why is it touristic, why you have to visit, what happened there. And the main part are these sections: terminal, food, and tickets, because the idea behind this website also was to make collaborative from users. So a user can publish its recommendation for a different section. For example, for terminals, different users will say what are the best terminals, what are the worst terminals, how was their experience with this agency maybe, or with this way to get to the place. So we have a slide here too to see the different posts, and the same thing for food, no? Where to eat, do I have to carry my own food? And also for the tickets, maybe some agency sell the tickets for lower price or give another services. So in this section, the review, people can give a comment, can leave a comment for the place itself, what they think about the place, how was it, the view, and stuff like that. So for example, if I want to make a review here, it will tell me that I have to log in. So I want to log in with this account. I can go to visit, and for example, I can give a review here. So the review is based on the users. So maybe it was published by Pedro, this post, but if I follow this advice and I think it's correct, I can give it a 5 stars, or maybe I can give it a lower stars or rating. The same thing for the place itself, I can give a rating. Now, for example, if I go to this user, for example, David, I can see his profile. So I can see a description, maybe a picture. I can also send a message. I can see all the messages that people have published to David. Also, I can see David reviews, no? So these are the different places that David gave a comment, left a comment. Hello, David. And it will update the page with a new comment. So the website is responsive. It will adjust to the width of the website. So in this, again, I can add another destination maybe, and fill all the fields. I can also upload images. I think that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.